Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading, all together now for the week of June 26, 2023, Part 2. The Rabbit Listened by Cori Doerrfeld. One day, Taylor decided to build something. Something new, something special, something amazing. Taylor was so proud. But then, out of nowhere, things came crashing down. The chicken was the first to notice. Cluck, cluck, what a shame. I'm so sorry this happened. Let's talk about it. Cluck, cluck. But Taylor didn't feel like talking, so the chicken left. Next came the bear. Roar, roar, how horrible. I bet you feel so angry. Let's shout about it. Gar, roar, roar. But Taylor didn't feel like shouting, so the bear left. The elephant knew just what to do. Trump-da! I can fix this. We just need to remember exactly the way things were. But Taylor didn't feel like remembering, so the elephant also left. One by one they came. The hyena, hee, let's laugh about it. The ostrich, gulp, let's hide and pretend nothing happened. The kangaroo, tisk, tisk, what a mess, let's throw it all away. And the snake, shh, let's go knock down someone else's. But Taylor didn't feel like doing anything with anybody, so eventually they all left. Until Taylor was all alone. In the quiet, Taylor didn't even notice the rabbit, but it moved closer and closer until Taylor could feel its warm body. Together they sat in silence until Taylor said, "Please stay with me." The rabbit listened. The rabbit listened as Taylor talked. The rabbit listened as Taylor shouted. The rabbit listened as Taylor remembered and laughed. The rabbit listened to Taylor's plans to hide, to throw everything away, to ruin things for someone else. Through it all, the rabbit never left. And when the time was right, the rabbit listened to Taylor's plan to build again. "I can't wait," Taylor said. "It's going to be amazing." The end. We're going to do a sponge painted bunny. Your Craft to Go kit includes a piece of cardstock paper, a bunny to go on the cardstock paper, and I got two bunnies. That's an accident. One bunny. You'll have a sponge to paint with and a little tail. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint this paper. Put the bunny and the tail aside. And to paint it, we'll need some paints. I picked purple, green, blue, and pink. And you'll need a glue stick or glue. I'm going to put that aside. And right now, I'm just going to go ahead and paint all over You can see it's kind of blending and making a purple on its own. So maybe I won't even need the purple. Put some green in there. Try not to push too hard or else you'll get blobs like I did there. And it's okay if they overlap. So I'm just going to keep doing this until my paper is full. Now that my paper is full, I'm going to get the paint out of the way. And we have the cardstock. And make sure you have paper towels or something nearby so you can wipe your fingers off. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue my bunny onto the painted paper. Now, ideally, it would be dry first, but I'm going to do it while it's wet. And actually, the paint will help it stick too. I'm going to go ahead and paint it with the black line up, but you can also do it so that it doesn't show any outline at all. So that's up to you. I'm doing my outline up because I like to see them outlined. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I'm trying to do this away from the paint that I have on the table. Take the glue stick and rub it all over the back of the bunny carefully so I don't bend the bunny like that. And that. But yeah, just glue all over the back of the bunny and then carefully center it and lay it down on the paint. And try not to get any paint on your fingers so that you can push the bunny all the way down. You can see he's there. And then the last thing we're going to do is glue his little tail on. I'm going to put this back this way. So I'm going to put some glue on the bottom of the bunny, on the bunny bum. And I'm going to put the tail on. I'm going to fluff it up just a tiny bit. And that's it. That is your sponge painted bunny.